Hi, welcome to Paul's Kitchen for another exciting version of Who Knew What You Could Do with this Italian salad dressing. We're not using this today. Today, I'm going bananas! Woo! We're going to make banana French toast roll-ups. And we're going to need 1 banana, 2 banana, 3 banana more. That's the banana splits from when I was a kid. So all we're going to do is we're going to slice up some bananas. I'm going to do 3 of them. I've already sliced up 2. Sliced up 1 more here. Just peel it and literally slice it. Okay. I have a special guest here today, Jaci. How are you? He's gonna eat the banana French toast roll-ups. All right, so we're just gonna pour them in here. Can you do me a favor?
Yeah, absolutely.
2 tablespoons of butter. So it'd be like half of that. So 1. Yep. Nope, right in the pan. Put that on medium, please. Medium heat. So all we're going to do is we're going to cook the bananas. And we're going to use a tablespoon right behind you. Up on the wall there, see it? Above the blender.
Do you want the fancy ones or you want the
Either one, you choose.
We're going to go with fiery one.
Alright, flour one it is. We're going to use, again, 3 bananas, a tablespoon of brown sugar, and a heaping tablespoon, as you can see. Put it right in. Done. A teaspoon of cinnamon, not heaping because it's kind of strong. So, alright, so we didn't even use all of it. Go more like a half to 3/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. I am going to sprinkle a little bit of white sugar, caramelize it a bit. It tastes so much better with the white and brown mixture. So just a couple sprinkles. How are we doing over there?
It's almost done melting.
Okay. Just gonna toss this up a little bit. We're gonna throw it right in. Are we ready, Jaci?
A couple seconds more.
Okay.
And we're good.
Alright, put it right down, please.
Yeah.
We're gonna throw them right in. Now these are going to cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Thank you, sir. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to take some bread. Okay, we're going to take a clean cutting board. I'll grab like 3. I've already done some here, as you can see. But I'm going to show you what I did. We're going to cut the edges. It's alright if you leave a little bit. And you make it a square or a rectangle. I don't know. So, 3 of them. Now you got all these extra little pieces here. If you don't want to waste them, you can throw them on a little cookie sheet. Throw them in the oven at 350 and toast them, and then you can make your own breadcrumbs. So then we're just going to roll them out. Just like that. Put them with the rest. Again, roll them out. There we go. Our next thing is, well, how you make French toast. You know how to make French toast. Eggs, milk. Just give them a quick scramble. Just like that, whisk them up, then we add the cinnamon. And now, as soon as the bananas are done cooking, which I said 5 to 6 minutes, you can use a spoon or you can flip them. Come on over, you see how they're breaking down? They're just cooking out on medium heat. Again, mine's crazy. I'll turn it down a little bit. We're just softening them up. And the last step for the bananas cooking is we're going to put them right in that bowl. Jaci cleaned for me. Thank you very much. Yeah. All you got to do to test it, say 5 to 6 minutes. But all you want to do is give it a little push, see? They are broken down nice and soft. So they are ready. We'll shut this off. Give it a quick high bang. Quick flip. Put them right in here. Just gonna mush them.
Make a taste out of it.
Yeah. Just like we did with that. Scramble them up. Can you smell that?
I can. It's so heavenly.
I wish you had to smell that. I mushed them all up. There they are. Just gonna scoop it in. Just like so. I don't know how many they'll make. Depends on the size of the bananas. If they're really large, you'll probably get a dozen. But we're gonna go with like 7 to 10. We'll see how many we make. Roll it. And flip it here. And right here, we'll take our little brush and seal it. A little bit of egg wash. Seal it. Flip it. Done. I'm gonna do that to all of these, and then we're gonna cook them. I had medium-sized bananas, so we got 8. Isn't that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes.
8 of them. Next step is the pan. Back on medium to medium high. Alright? Butter. I know, that's a lot of butter, but it's okay, it's good. It's natural, it's delicious. Another tablespoon and a half. See? But you need that to cook these. And I'm going to add a little bit more. As these are going in here like this, we'll melt the butter. We'll start our cooking process. Okay, remember this? The egg wash with the cinnamon. Now we take our roll-ups. We're done with the brush for now. Put this right here. Now we technically and physically just throw them into the egg wash with the cinnamon. Roll them in there. And this is almost ready. Okay, that's sizzling. Now I'll put one in. There's one. We're going to do that to all of them. It's a pretty good sized pan, so you could probably put 5 or 6. But I'll do half and half. 4 now and 4 later. So the banana French toast rolls are cooking right now. This is my second batch I made. We're putting them in. We're going to let them cook. They're going to get nice and golden brown. And when they're ready to flip or roll, I guess you would say, we're just going to literally roll them. We'll show you in a couple minutes. We're going to let them get nice and golden brown, just like you do with regular French toast. Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes. We'll start flipping them. Look at that. Beautiful. Sorry. A couple more minutes on this side. When they're flipped over, when they're done on this side, I like to put them on the edge to get the little edges side. So they're all crispy and delicious. Then we finish it like you do with normal French toast. A little butter and a little syrup, and then you eat them like crazy because they're delicious. Absolutely delicious. Trust me. No, don't trust me. Try them yourself. So it's been a couple minutes on each side, and I like to hold them up like this. Do one at a time. We'll get the edges nice and crispy just for a few seconds. Oh, stay up there, buddy. Okay, there we go. It's gonna fight me, watch. Go. Thank you. Now I'll flip this one back over on this side. Edge. This one. Beautiful. This one. Do the same thing on the other side. Just to get a little crispy. That one's already done. Beautiful. Right there. Right there. Okay. So, it took about not even 5 minutes. They're all done. Now I'm going to put them on a plate. I'm going to put some butter and some syrup on them. And they're going to look like, well, that right there. That's a little small piece of heaven. And you're going to watch Jaci eat them. He's the lucky guy. Go right ahead. Show him how good they are. We'll let him know. Hey, if you like this video, hit subscribe, hit like, hit the little bell if you want the buzzer, reminder when a notification. How are they?
Oh. Yes.
See, I'm not making it up, but try it yourself because they're delicious.
That's what I gotta get back to doing.
Thank you very much. See you next time.